Part B. Directions. In this part, you will hear longer conversations. After each conversation, you will be asked several questions. You will hear the conversations and the questions about them only one time. They will not be repeated. Therefore, you must listen carefully to understand what each speaker says. After you hear a question, read the 4 possible answers in your test book and choose which one is the best answer to the question you heard. Then, on your answer sheet, find the number of the question and fill in the space that corresponds to the letter of the answer you have chosen. Remember, you should not take notes or write on your test paper. Now let us begin Part B with the first conversation. Questions 31 through 34. Listen to the conversation between 2 students.
Melissa, where have you been? I've been waiting 30 minutes.
I'm sorry, but I had to finish my lab experiment or I'd get an incomplete grade.
Oh, I see. Well, we'd better get started on this presentation or we'll get an F.
Did you find the old navigation charts?
No, I haven't been able to find any books on the early explorers that contain old maps and charts.
We'll have to ask the research librarian then.
Yes. She's always very helpful.
I found a model of an old clipper ship in Mr. Mooney's antique shop. He said he'd let us use it if we promised to be careful.
Great! And I've started gathering some of the information we need for our handouts.
All right. Well, things aren't going so bad after all.
Number 31. What are these people primarily discussing? Number 32. Where is this conversation probably taking place? Number 33. What is the man's attitude toward the research librarian? Number 34. For what class are the man and woman probably doing their presentation?